What's up guys, my name is Julian. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the perfect superfood smoothie that's going to get you to power through workouts on a daily basis. Let's get started. Starting with the base of my pre-workout shake, I use this ingredient. It's called Spirulina. Nutrient and vitamin packed. It's 100% vegetarian and it keeps me energetic throughout my entire workout. The brand that I swear by is called Earthrise and they're 100% liable and it's California grown, so I know for a fact that I can trust it. So now getting started with the actual shake. I love berries, so I'm going to throw in a couple of strawberries. So using strawberries and banana, for instance, will give you that fruity taste that you want to mix in with the spirulina. So then you want to add a couple of ice chips just to kind of give it that smoothie texture. You're going to add an almond milk base. I prefer almond milk over regular or whole milk just because it's a personal preference. You can use milk if you'd like. So now using the actual base of the shake, so when we actually use the spirulina, we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons. 1.5 teaspoons contains vitamin A, vitamin B12, and it'll give you that gamma-linolenic acid, which is an essential fatty acid and contains 15% of my daily iron intake. We're going to layer it. Once you got the spirulina in there, I'm going to throw in a couple more banana pieces. Then I'm going to give myself a little bit of whey protein. So I'll give myself probably a scoop and a half of whey protein just to kind of like balance it out. So then once you've done that, I'm gonna add a little more almond milk and then a little more of the ice chips. Then boom, you have your superfood smoothie. Fire.